They say you gotta buy the worst house on the best street, but at what price? I critique properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it in a short 3-minute video so you can binge watch them after each other. And in today's episode, we're gonna review 677 Nimes Road, 6-bedroom, 11-bathroom, 20,000 square foot, listed for $49,950,000, and it apparently sits on a 32,020 square foot lot. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. I don't guarantee the accuracy of the information. It's for educational entertainment purposes only. If you have questions, you can contact the listing agent right here. Okay, 3 things I like about this property. Third is the partial city views. Look, it was kind of hard to find good things I like about this property, but I'm gonna take this partial city views. You've got decent views. It's not bad. Take it. Be grateful for your life. The second thing I like about this property is all the terraces and outdoor spaces. The terraces are really wide, great for entertainment, indoor, outdoor living, and the backyard, this swimming pool is huge. It's made for pool parties, so you better enjoy it. You better throw good ones, and if you buy, you better invite me. Now, the number one thing I love about this property is its location. Nimes is one of the best streets in Bel-Air. There's a lot of good exit comms for here, but not all properties on Nimes are equal. So the question is, how much are you willing to pay to be in the subpar house on the best street? Now, before I tell you 3 things I don't like about this property, you should know that according to 𝐃𝐤𝐬𝐴𝐼, there are 50% more new listing coming on the market this month than same time last year. That means days on the market is going up, inventory going up, and prices are coming down. Now, you still need to do a little bit of analysis there. In version 3.0, we literally give you a recommendation that you can know how much we think prices will change or how much the conditions will change with a degree of probability. So sign up right now before prices go up. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. Third is the finishes. They are just boring, dull, white and gray. Who does white floors anymore? I mean, what are you guys thinking? It's just horrible floors, horrible finishes, very boring. It's not what's in right now. It looks cheap for $49 million, and I don't like it at all. And one of the viewers commented and actually recommended this house for a review, and he used profanity to describe the finishes. I'm not going to use it. You can go find the comments and tell me what you think. The second thing I don't like about this property is the fact that it's a long house and it's sideways to the view. But even more concerning, it opens up to this gigantic lot right across that once this property is built, the house on it could dominate your house. And I don't think you want to pay $49,950,000 to be dominated, you know, unless you're into that stuff, which then great for you. You know, give me a call, we write an offer on it right away. The number one thing I don't like about this property is the fact that this property is upside down. You enter from the top, you gotta take a lot of stairs to get to the bottom level, and that's just not good. It's not natural, it's forced, it's engineered. It tells you that the lot is subpar for the neighborhood. Now, the question is, how much is it worth then? If you want me to help you with pricing, feel free to reach out to me. I just got a client of mine, a $9 million deal in Malibu, brand new construction, under replacement cost. And that's what I do, price strategy. And we started on that property 3 months ago. We cooked it up, we monitored it, we engaged with them, and we had a strategy and we executed that strategy together and got this client an amazing, amazing deal. Now, here's my contact information. If you want to reach out to me, I would love to be a resource to you. Tell me in the comments how much you think this one's gonna sell for. I read all the comments, I answer all the comments myself. I would love to be a resource to you guys. And check out 𝐃𝐤𝐬𝐴𝐼 version 3.0 coming out very, very soon. And get out of here.